everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, back out at the shop. Why? Because we got to do work. But I had a ton of questions. Everybody's like, hey, what was that white notch in the background when I was showing off that car? And the problem is you haven't gone back and watched all the other videos. This is actually Coyote Swap number 1. This is Dover's. This is the one he kind of learned how to do all this stuff on. And it was in the background. Everybody was asking, so I figured I had to come back out and let everybody check it out again. See, there she is. She's slick. Hold on, I'll show you under the hood. But again, this is the car that basically started it all, and you know, kind of got the whole Coyote craze going. I love this, by the way. That's epic. Yes, ladies and germs, there it is. This was the white notch in the background. That is the car that started it all, and it's pretty epic, and that's why we're Coyote crazy and swapping everything under the sun, including the wagon. If you haven't followed the wagon build, you need to go back, watch part 1, part 2, part 3 of the wagon build. It is still under construction, which we'll go check on never mind. You'll see it later. Okay guys, so we definitely have had a ton of questions about the 15 to 17, which is basically the Gen 2 motor. And yes, if you want to just like feast your eyes on this for a minute, this is actually Alex's motor that is going in his car. It's the car we went and got in Alabama. He bought the car and he's swapping it as well. But anyway, back to the subject. This is a Gen 2, a 15 to 17 engine. And there is actually quite a few differences, which I'm going to go over real quick. This is not in-depth. If you want to go in-depth, do some Google searching. There's lots of stuff out there, so I'm not going to bore you. But basically what we had to do is change, you're essentially converting it over to a Gen 1 spec motor. So as you can see, got all the Gen 1 cams, intake and exhaust. So you have to change the cams, you change the phasers, and what else do you change? You got to change the actuators. Obviously the intake, because the 15 to 17 intakes have the intake manifold runner controls on the back. So that's part of the reason he went with the Boss intake, but other than that, it's just very, very beautiful. Okay, so anyway, so you can hear me. His build is coming along. He's already got the timing cover from Power by the Hour on, and some of the brackets, new water pump, all of that. So that is just going to look ridiculous. But come over here, Alex has all his Power by the Hour accessory brackets. Got all the instructions, throttle body spacer, alternator bracket, all that. So yeah, there's more cars being built, and Alex is actually going to be pretty cool because we haven't done the Gen 2 motor yet, the 15 to 17. There are quite a bit of upgrades. It's basically like a Boss spec. The bottom end's stronger, the heads are better. So, you know, and that's something I'm planning to do down the road once the car has gotten completed and I've been able to drive it and all that good stuff. So yeah, Alex's car is going to be awesome. He's also doing the 6R80 auto. He just wanted to build a super cool cruiser, and you will get to see all of that right here on the channel. Okay, so you want a little bit of update? Yes, the car is over here. It's ready for assembly, which is actually something we're about to start doing. We wanted to do the wagon project and get it, you know, basically ready for the Ford takeover June 9th. And so we've got the car over here, and God, it's got crap on it. It makes me nervous. I don't like that. But anyway, obviously my control pack and all that stuff is here. So we're going to get busy wiring that. The transmission is being built, and you know, it just takes time. It's a completely custom off build on the 3650 from Hanlon Motorsports. It's going to be ridiculously strong, basically T56 guts, 26 spline input shaft, all that. And Hanlon's super busy, so I knew it was going to take a while. I'm cool with it. The transmission's going to live. It's going to shift great. So basically we're going to do some wiring on the control pack, which I'll show you all of that as we go along, just so you can kind of get a feel for what's involved with wiring up a control pack in a Fox body. Really nothing to it, but yeah, the car's almost done. The world is not ready. All right, guys, so back in the shop. The work continues on. It's Mr. Hanky, right?
Yes, sir. Hanky.
Mr. Hanky. This is Mr. Hanky. So basically, we're basically ready to bolt wheels on. Brakes are on. These are actually off my car. Hopefully they'll clean up. Sway bar on. Ball joints, coilovers, pads, rotors. Cody killed it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Go check the other side. Yes, sir. It's dark over here. But yeah, we gotta bleed some brakes and actually set the car on the ground. The car is so ugly. Everybody loves it. It's phenomenal. Cody, what do you think?
It's beautiful. I want it.
Yeah. Swap it for the Calypso?
Hey, maybe.
Why not, right?
Maybe, yeah.
I don't know. Dover, do we got a deal?
What's that?
He wants to swap for the Calypso now. Cody, how does that make you feel? It is awesome, though. And you know what I did? I totally forgot to bring the stickers again.
I knew you didn't bring
God, I actually have them laid out. They've been laid out since last week, and I forgot the stickers.
I even reminded you.
I know you did. He totally reminded me, and I forgot, but I'll bring them this week, I promise. There it is. Actually, has radiator hoses on it and belts, and yeah, not much lacking. Those were the fans that were on it, weren't they?
No.
Oh.
That's off
What are those?
The gray car.
Oh, okay.
Swipe.
So the engine is in, and you put the Mustang engine, Mustang intake.
So it kind of matches.
Yeah, it really does. It's got like this whole patina thing going that really works well, and even the numbers on the cam covers look good. But guys, one quick note. If you're running a stick car, be prepared. This is super tight on this cam cover, especially if you got a firewall adjuster. Super tight. It does clear.
I could put tape in the spacers.
Yeah.
I don't have any, so.
You could drop it or lower it, whatever you need to do. But there she is. She's in. And just in case you haven't caught the other videos, I'll show you off the interior. The Tremec handle sticking up through. Hold on, we gotta check this out.
Yeah, check it out. It's a lot better.
Let's see here. Yeah. I love it. And you got the race car tachometer that's going in it. So this thing is just way too cool. And just the brownness of everything about it just makes it just pure awesome. So yes, guys, super busy day out at the shop. Lots going on. Doing some under the dash work on the wagon swap. So not even going to show you all that because it's super boring. But I hope you found this useful. What you need to do to run the 15 to 17 engine with the Gen 1 control pack. That's super cool. And again, this engine is going in Alex's swap. You will see this car done right here on the channel. It's going to be awesome. Of course, my baby over here. Sorry, I've been petting things all day long. So I love it. But yeah, there's the engine going in my car, of course, and just pretty much waiting on the trans. Going to do some wiring up. You will see that shortly, I promise you. Just a lot of stuff going on. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. I will see you June 9th at the Ford Takeover. Hey, look, it's Carlos. I will see you June 9th. Ford Takeover, Jackson, Tennessee. It's going to be a blast. And so keep an eye out for more videos on the wagon, Alex's car, my car. It's going to be epic. Trust me, you don't want to miss an episode because I go basically in timeline format. So make sure you catch everyone. Later, guys.